When you study for UGC NET English, there are some keys you should always keep in mind. Let's go through them step by step. First, pay attention to language. In which language did the author write Old English, Middle English, Latin, or French? And did they help shape a specific dialect, like Northern, Midland, or Southern? Next, consider style. Ask yourself, what are the features of their writing? Did they use alliteration, rhyme, allegory, or something else? And how does this style connect with the literary trends of their period? Then comes form. What form did they choose? Sonnet, prose, drama, or narrative poetry? Did they create something new or popularize a genre? Now, look at dates. Remember the time frame, the first and last known works. This helps you align the writer with the right literary period. Fifth is influence. Who or what shaped their ideas, religion, history, or other authors? And equally, how did they influence later writers and movements? Next, focus on their first work. What was their debut publication and how does it compare with their later writing? Similarly, check their last work, the final text before death or retirement. Chronology is another key area. Can you list their works in order and can you connect them with historical or literary events of the time? Don't forget translation. Did the author translate works from another language? Have their own writings been translated widely? Another exam favorite is important lines and quotations. Which quotations are directly from their works and which are attributed to them by others? These often come as direct questions. Next, consider the type of works. Was the writing epic, elegy, romance, or drama? Was it religious, secular, political, or philosophical? Geography and dialect matter too. Where were they from? Did their region affect their themes or language? And which dialect, Northern, Midland, or Southern, do they represent? Always place them in a literary category. Are they romantic, modernist, metaphysical, or something else? Ask yourself, how does their work display the features of that movement? Then comes the critical overview. What are the writer's strengths and weaknesses? What do critics say about their contribution? Finally, consider their thinking and religious views. What beliefs did they hold, and how do those beliefs echo in their themes and characters? If you keep these 16 keys in mind, you'll not only understand authors more deeply, but also handle exam questions with confidence. These are the tools that turn reading into sharp preparation for UGC NET English.